Buying an X-ray machine is a serious capital investment and a technical commitment. Here are 10 questions you need to ask when buying an X-ray machine. Part 1, we're going to cover core performance and capability. Number 1, what resolution and power does the system deliver? Ask about tube voltage, current, what's your penetration power, more importantly, what is the spot size of the tube, because that's going to be a major driver of the resolution of the system. Then, on the other side, check the detector resolution in microns per pixel, because combined, they are going to define what kinds of defects you'll be able to actually see. 2, what board types and materials can I handle? Thickness, copper weight, and overall board size. Some machines can't penetrate heavy copper or multi-layer PCBs. Confirm yours can. Can the machine not only fit the board, but X-ray and inspect all regions of the board? Just having the machine inside the board inside the machine is not enough. You got to make sure that the X-ray can look at every single corner of your board. 3, does it support 3D or computed tomography inspection? 2D is fine for surface voids, but 3D reveals buried vias, internal cracks, and layer misalignment. If you do high-density interconnect work, or HDI, 3D is your friend. 4, what defects can you detect and how accurate is it? Ask for real sample images, solder voids, bridges, QFN misalignment, via cracks, heading pillow. Then ask about false reject and false accept rates. Accuracy and precision save time. 5, what's the throughput and automation level? Boards per hour, auto pattern recognition, inline integration, all affect real-world productivity. If you plan to scale, automation is your force multiplier. That's all for part 1, and let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe so you don't miss part 2, and thanks for watching.